In today's video, I'm going to teach you hide a link in the current view only. This is a quick view-specific way to clean up what you see without affecting your entire project or other team members' views. Think of it as telling the software, don't show me this one linked file here, while leaving everything else untouched everywhere else. Start by navigating to the exact view where you want the link hidden. It could be a floor plan, section, elevation, or 3D view. What matters is that you're in the view that needs the cleanup. Now, select the linked file in the view. The easiest way is to hover your cursor over the edges or boundary of the link until it highlights, then click. If multiple items are stacked, gently move your cursor and pause until the link pre-highlights, or press Tab to cycle through nearby items until the link is selected. You should see a clear selection outline indicating the link is active. With the link selected, right-click directly on it and choose Hide in View, then pick Elements. This choice is important. Elements hides only the specific link you selected in this view. It does not unload the link, it does not delete anything, and it does not hide links in other views. It's simply a visual override applied to the current view. Be careful not to choose a category-wide hide, as that would suppress all items of that type in the view, not just this single link. Once you do this, the change takes effect immediately. The link disappears from the current view, giving you a cleaner workspace for coordination, documentation, or printing. This can be especially helpful when a linked model is visually distracting when you're focusing on host elements, or when you want a view to show only discipline-specific content. A few things to keep in mind: because this is a view-only action, other views will still show the link as usual, which is exactly what you want for controlled presentation. The model data remains intact, schedules, tags, and coordination tools that rely on the link's data aren't deleted, and team members working in other views won't be affected. If you later notice something missing in just one view, remember that a hide in view action could be the reason. That's it. Select the link in the view, right-click, hide in view, elements. It's a safe, reversible, and targeted way